Laws are the pillars of our society. But what unfolds when those entrusted with their enforcement become the violators? Here are 2 times when cops got caught breaking the law, starting off with this dynamic duo of harassers who tried to frame a man on fake charges.
You see what this did? You see what he did? Don't put your hands on me. Do not.
On March 11, 2022, Jonathan Gesford found himself stationed on the roadside in Delaware, brandishing a bold sign that read "Radar Ahead," a not-so-subtle indication of the impending speed trap set up by the police down the road. However, his act of public service didn't go unnoticed. Officers Stephen Douglas and Nicholas Gallo soon appeared, alleging that Gesford was causing a traffic disruption.
I am engaged in a First Amendment activity that is protected by.
Take the sign if
You
you
are
put it
not.
up. Listen,
You are not taking my property.
Listen to me. If you put it,
You are not taking my property. What's your badge number?
my badge number's right there. Okay.
Is that what you tell the judge?
What?
Is that what you tell the judge?
Is what would I tell a judge?
Right there. I'm
Are you the
asking.
judge?
I'm
Are
asking
you the
for
judge?
your badge
My
number.
badge number's right there.
What is your badge?
It's
Articulate
right
it.
there. It's right there. No,
Articulate.
No, I'm not going to
Am I in
articulate it.
detention? Are you detaining me? What are you detaining me for?
What?
What are you
You're
detaining?
disrupting traffic,
I'm not
sir.
disrupting
Yes, you
anything.
are.
I am engaged in a First Amendment.
Jumping into traffic.
I am not. You're a liar.
It's unsafe.
You are a liar. I have never been in traffic. Never. So you can shut that up. I'm on the side of the road, legally parked, with a sign which is protected by the First Amendment. So you can. I'm disrupting nothing. I'm gonna do it right here where I'm at. So I'm not.
Why do I have drivers coming up to me telling me that you're jumping out in traffic?
Because apparently they're erroneous. I don't give a what somebody else says. What did you witness?
A dash cam in one of the police cars proved that Gesford was parked on the side of the road. However, these cops had bad intentions, so they made up false claims against him.
Nothing of the sort. So keep your to yourself, pal.
You're very angry. Why so hostile?
Because you people are coming up here. I got a man trying to steal my property, telling me he's not going to let me do something that's constitutionally protected. No, I'm not. What's the statute for that? What's the statute? You see this man? He tried to take my property from my hands. You have no authority whatsoever over me because I've committed no crime.
You're not saying you committed a crime. I'm saying
So you're not saying I committed a crime and you just tried to steal my property.
I didn't try to steal it.
Yes, you did. You said I am taking. You have nothing. You're not going to not allow me because you have no authority to stop me. Period. No authority to stop me.
I'm not going to let you do it, sir. I'm not going to let you do it.
You have no authority to stop me.
You wanted our attention. You got it. I mean,
I don't want your attention. Go the away, road pirate.
You wanted our attention.
Go away, road pirates.
Gesford asked the cops technical questions they couldn't answer. It turned out the only ones causing trouble were these 2 clueless officers.
That's fine. You can stand right there. But
I'm staying where I want. You ain't going to stop me because you have no authority to stop me. Put your hands on me. You see what this did? You see what he did? Don't put your hands on me. Do not. Give me my property back. You piece of. Give me my property back. You see this? You tyrant piece of. You tyrant. What are your badge numbers?
Step back, okay?
No,
Don't walk up
no,
to me
you
like
stole
that.
my property.
Did you see anything in my hands?
You
stole your
piece
property?
of.
Have a nice day.
I want your badge number, you piece of. That is assault. You assaulted me standing right here, you piece of.
Statute, he would understand that's not assault.
Nicholas,
That's
you attacked me, forcibly
What statute
removed my
is that?
property.
The officers were most bothered by Gesford's sign, so they made sure to grab it, knowing it wouldn't be seen on their own dash cam.
Matter of fact, I'll just go to Walmart, get some new stuff, make a new one up.
Okay, go ahead.
You just
Go ahead,
stole
spend your money. Go ahead.
my property.
The officers had no authority to take Gesford's property, and when asked about their unit, Officer Stephen refused to respond, perhaps fearing a complaint. But this encounter wasn't the end. Stephen pulled over Gesford again, this time appearing to have planned the charges in advance before even confronting him.
We could lock him up for disorderly conduct. He probably won't go anywhere.
Nah, what's they look like a
charge? No. Okay, most we can probably get it.
Good afternoon, sir. Corporal Douglas, Delaware State Police. The reason I stopped you is you had your hand out the window with
So what?
finger.
So what? It's constitutionally protected speech.
Is there a reason why you're doing that? Is there a reason why you're doing that?
You're stopping me for constitutionally protected speech, right?
Because you had your hand out the window.
This is what I did. You got a problem with that?
Sir, listen to me.
No, no, no.
All right, listen.
Go
That's
away.
called disorderly conduct.
No, it is not.
That is disorderly
That
conduct.
is
If
called
you were doing it
freedom
out in the
of speech.
If you were
No,
out in
no,
the public,
no,
you are out in the public and people see you.
No, it is
Can I get
not.
your
Here's
license,
here's
please?
what's going to happen.
No,
License, please.
no.
Here's what's going to happen.
I want your supervisor, please.
I am the supervisor. I am the supervisor.
License,
And that's why
please.
I'm here.
I'm going to reach into my pocket and
You're
get my
fine.
license.
You're fine.
And I'm going to take you to
You're fine.
court.
But here's what I'm saying. Take it to court. That's what I want you to do. That's what I
License,
want you. I
please.
want you to take it to court.
So
License,
but
please.
before we go any farther, you're pulling me over for what?
The two cops clumsily tried to come up with a reason to justify their stop, showing they should have done their homework before pulling him over.
Because you had
disorderly conduct.
Because you had your finger.
Disorderly
out the window.
conduct
Now,
what?
here's what's about to happen. You're about to be arrested again for resisting arrest.
No, I'm not resisting
Yes, well,
anything.
yeah. Right
No.
now you're being detained.
For
okay?
what?
You're being
I
detained.
told you why I stopped you already, sir.
For putting my middle finger up. That's
Yeah,
correct?
no,
Correct.
no. Exactly.
For-
Right.
You extended your arm out the window.
No, I had my
Yes,
middle
you
finger
did.
out the window.
Okay, let me get your ID.
You had your middle finger out the window. Okay, yes. And that's what I said. You had your middle
Because the
finger
next
out
thing
the
you
window.
do, we're going to take you in, we're going to tow the car, and we'll call social services for the kid.
Oh, so
and
now
the
you're
dog.
threatening. Now you're threatening my
No,
child.
it's not
No,
a
he's telling you
threat,
what's
it's a
gonna happen.
promise.
You're threatening my child now.
I'm telling you what's going to happen.
Thank you very
Just let
much.
us have this
Thank you very
information.
much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very. I'm going to set this camera here to keep
That's
track of you
good. I
people.
want to be on camera.
They even went to the extent of threatening Guestford's son. Is this how our hard-earned tax dollars are being used?
Like you.
I mean, he pulled him over for what? Like giving him the middle finger?
Yeah, for giving him middle finger. So.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Yeah.
That'll get dropped.
Yeah, it's gonna get thrown. I told him that's gonna get thrown out, but it's just going, it's gonna cause the problem. I was gonna give him back the sign, but the guy already ripped the sign up. So, cause I went and talked to him, and obviously he didn't want to hear anything I had to say by that time, But yeah, so just giving you a heads up.
At least someone within the police force recognized that these baseless accusations wouldn't hold up in court. It's disheartening to see that officers like these are still patrolling our streets. Ultimately, the police issued Guestford a citation for an improper hand signal, which was quickly dismissed when he contested it in court. Guestford then took legal action against the officers, claiming they violated his First Amendment rights by confiscating his sign and issuing an unjust citation. The officers settled the lawsuit, agreeing to compensate Guestford with a $50,000 payout. It seems like in the end, the payout served as a form of retribution against the officers. While the previous officers were simply foolish, the next officer described committed a heinous act, tasering and assaulting a disabled civilian.
God damn it, quit, please hurt me. Quit, please.
On June 14, 2019, David Delaney, who had been sleeping in his vehicle at an apartment complex, encountered Officer Joshua Carroll. David explained to Joshua that he was simply waiting for his friend, but when Joshua demanded his identification, David declined. This refusal angered Joshua, leading him to resort to violence.
Why? Stop! Don't hurt me!
Stop right now! Stop!
Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Don't do that! What are you gonna shoot me? What are you gonna shoot me for? God damn it!
Get out of the car! No! Get out of the car! Out of the car! No!
I can't! Oh my God! Stop it! I'm not doing anything!
Joshua deployed his taser on David multiple times, yet that didn't quench his sinister intentions. He then proceeded to strike David in the head with the taser. However, the next part is deeply disturbing, even upon repeated viewing of the footage. Viewer discretion is advised as the following minute is difficult to watch.
God damn it! Quit, please hurt me! Are you
Quit, please.
Put your other hand behind your back or I'm gonna hurt you more.
No, you're
Put your
not.
other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
Why are you
You can move.
Quit it.
Put your other hand behind your back. Do it yourself.
Oh my God, I'm
Put your hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Do it.
cannot.
Yes, you can. Do it now.
I physically can't. Officer, please.
Put your hand behind your back now.
Please listen.
Do it fucking now.
Please listen.
No.
Have a
Put your hand fucking here.
Have a disc.
Put your hand behind your back now. Put your hand behind your back.
I'm trying.
Do it
God,
now.
it hurts.
I don't care.
Be careful. I didn't do anything to you. I did not do something to you.
I go into thing. Roll finger.
Ouch.
Get out.
Ouch. Oh, why'd you do that?
There's only one word that adequately describes Joshua's actions: barbaric. David was already covered in his own blood, yet Joshua callously threw him onto the concrete road again, exacerbating the pain from his dislocated shoulder. All of this begs the question, for what purpose?
Stop hurting me!
I'll keep hurting you if I need to. Stop. No,
Ouch! Ouch! Oh, please stop hurting me. Will you please stop hurting me?
don't move.
You're hurting me really bad.
Don't move.
You're hurting me bad.
I don't care. Don't
But
move.
why? Please quit hurting me.
Nope.
Will you please quit hurting me?
Nope.
Oh my God, what's the matter with you? I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything to you. Please stop hurting me.
Do you have any weapons on you? I'm gonna make sure that's the case.
No, I don't. I promise I don't. Will you please stop hurting me?
Stop moving. Stop it.
David was left in tears, enduring multiple injuries and still bleeding from numerous open wounds. At this juncture, many would argue that Joshua deserved not just imprisonment, but potentially even a life sentence for his heinous actions.
David, what's your last name?
Why do you want to hurt me?
What's your last name,
I'm
David?
not telling you
Okay,
anything.
fair enough.
You're trying to hurt me. I didn't do anything to you. I did not do anything to you. Ouch. Ouch. Ow.
Don't move. I got the fire department coming for you.
Please put the handcuffs. Please.
No, they're not coming off.
I don't want them off.
They're not getting moved. They're not going anywhere.
Instead of offering comfort to the injured man, Joshua remained fixated on obtaining his last name. According to police reports, Delaney was transported to the hospital and required stitches for the injuries sustained during the assault. An officer at the hospital noted that Delaney appeared to have some form of cognitive impairment, but Carroll dismissed it as a pretense. Shockingly, Carroll even mentioned having altercations with special needs children while working as a school resource officer. When questioned about the pain inflicted upon Delaney, Carroll reportedly told his sergeant, "No offense, but that was exactly what I was trying to do, was to get that pain compliance." As an internal investigation was initiated, Carroll was relieved of his uniform patrol duties. However, he resigned before facing termination by the department. It's infuriating that this officer evades charges and walks free. It's a grim moment for our police system. This incident deeply unsettles me. Do you believe Officer Carroll deserves a life sentence for his crimes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.